Hi everybody. It's a pleasure for me to be here in the northern part of Uganda. First of all, when I was contacted by my management and we're going to Uganda, I thought it was okay. I was like, okay, typical Lugogo cricket in Kampala. They said no, there's a place called Gulu. Gulu. And I have to Google it. Gulu and Google. And then I remember the name sounds familiar because I've read something about it. I'm sure all of us know. We don't need to say it. So, and I was like, okay. So when my management finished with the promoter, DJ Chief, and we had a contract, we signed everything, and every necessary thing was made. When I posted it, I was shocked. Like, people, I don't know, there's this thing about these Gulu people. You people are too, you love yourself, like, it's like a battle between you guys and Kampala. So there was this energy I was seeing. I was like, I called Chi. What is going on? Where is this place? He said I should Google it. I actually Googled it. I was like, are you sure? I said, but it's positive on the social media. He said, oh, you don't know. They love you so much, you need to be here. I said, okay. So I was waiting, then gradually, I started studying the place and I realized, okay, these are just lovely people that somehow they've lacked entertainment here, and I know. And Chi, thank you very much for making this happen. And like he said, after tomorrow's show, there should be more open doors. And trust me, I would love to meet backstage Gulu artists. I'm not talking about Uganda, Kampala. I would love to meet them, hang out with them, just share one or two words, in fact, they are supposed to be here if they are around. Any Gulu artists here?
Misola.
Yes, some of them are around.
Misola.
Mixola.
There's no little in the guy.
Please.
You'll get one seat, please.
Please, somebody get a seat for you because he deserves to be here with us. Please, get him a seat. Thank you. We need to respect that. It doesn't matter. Thank you, my dear. Thank you. Hey, don't allow a lady carry the seat. Man, where are you people? Don't do that. Don't do that.
We have a guy who speaks it alone.
Thank you.
Okay, you
So, I would love to see what it's like somebody growing up in this neighborhood and want to see people like that succeed, because I noticed that one thing this place actually needs is development.
Yes.
And when we talk about development, most times it's not culture, it's spiritual. It's like for me now, it's musical, it's entertainment. So yesterday, me and both of us were together, right, in Kampala, and we're still gonna hang out tomorrow. Just want you to feel free. There's no superstar here, we're the same. All right, so tomorrow is going to be a wonderful day. I pray it doesn't rain, and I want to have fun. What time is the show tomorrow?
Doors are open for better. Those are the time people are going to start.
What time? What time?
Hello, actually, we're going to kick in around 8.
Okay. Please, I don't like African time. Gladys, you know what I'm saying, huh? I don't like African time, please. Let's just keep it that way. Everybody can go and finish early, we go home. Me too, I want to rest. So, and I'm sure I'm going to be on stage between, I don't know the time I'm going to go on stage, but like I said, I don't like African time. So we should just try. But me performing on stage, I'm going to last between 2 hours, 30 minutes on stage. That's how long I'm going to stay on stage. So there's going to be more energy. It's going to be every song you guys have ever heard. From Rudeboy to P Square, from Rudeboy to P Square, from Rudeboy to P Square. All right, so it's going to be fun, and basically that's it. That's all I can say.
Okay. Who's coordinating?
Thank you.
All right, who's coordinating? Where's the coordinator?
Yes, thank you very much, guys. We're going to take maybe 5 to 6 questions max. Keep it straight, to the point, and brief. Give us your name and the media house. Rise up by show of hands. Yes.
You wanna ask?
Yeah, thank you so much. I'm called Jesse Johnson. I work with New Vision. When you Googled about me before coming, I'm very hopeful you also Googled about the artist and also had their song. So in your own perspective, how would you describe the songs of this?
Actually, I did Google the artist. I actually Googled the city.
Yes.
I need to know where it's from. I found it's not a part of Uganda, and I read some history about it. There's a particular story we all know 20 years ago about this place. So those are the things I went through. And yesterday I met him and one other guy. I can't see where is the guy. The other guy too. There were 2 of them. So we hang out, and he's a very good, talented boy. So that's why I said I don't need to Google an artist because I'm here already. Why do I need to Google? I'm here. I want to see them face to face.
Yeah.
All right. And if I'm backstage, please make sure backstage for me. And let me have screen while I'll be watching them.
Okay.
If I say the error, I'll tell you. I'm that rude. All right. So I don't need to Google about the music. All right, but I just need to know the city where I'm coming from, what is happening in the city, what is our past, what is our future. You know, that's basically what I Googled. Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, thank you. Next, the lady first. Yeah.
What is your favorite song?
Hey. Is it? It will shock you. You guys are as the fans, everybody will tell you reason with me. They will sing KGKK, Fire, or Cheese or Bar. I don't know. Me, I'll tell you it's reality. Reality. You know, girl, I go die for your body. Get me, I go fight. Girl, I don't mind. If the fight, I go fight for you. That's one of my favorite songs.
Fantastic. Next.
I'm called Jimmy. I work with HMGP, based in Kampala. I'm an Acholi. Now that you got a vibe of Hulu, you have Hulu, I'm requesting, can you make a collab with one of our artists?
Okay. Yesterday, he tried to discuss that with me. Yeah, but because I was stressed yesterday, and I told him, don't worry, we're going to have a time. We'll talk about it. So, he bear me witness. He tried to speak to me about it yesterday. He wished we could do a song. And like I told him, if it was like 10, 15 years ago, you could just jump in. Now it takes a whole lot, okay? I need to understand you. I need to listen to you. I need to get used to you. I need there has to be a connection. There has to be chemistry. Okay? So, if you first of all, it starts from maybe you have one or two songs that's big. I'm not talking about Ghana, I'm talking about both Uganda and maybe East Africa. If one that is big, and if I listen to it, I can give you an example. I used to know Radio and Weasel.
Yes.
Okay? May Radio rest in peace. Just a short story. We were having an East African tour. We did Rwanda, Tanzania, Kenya, and we came to Uganda. So but we realized every radio station we go to, there's this song they keep playing. So this is not, I've never met Radio and Weasel. So imagine we were that big, and Radio and Weasel did not ask for collab. I demanded I wanted to see them. Because I'll be there, I'll be like, what is this? Nakwanini nakudata, omuti mabuya ya bwejesura, kamanchana kamavura. Oh, that song was just crazy. From Tanzania, I would hear it. From here, so when I got to the radio station in Uganda, and here the DJ was playing it, I was like, hold on, who sang this song? And I told me two guys, Roger and Wilson. There again, and I played another song which has the P Square, No One Like You. Yeah, something like that. So, and they played it, I was like, please, where are these guys? And the show was the next day. The guy was like, I know somebody that knows them. And he called there on the radio station. I said, guys, can you guys come tomorrow and join us on stage? Well, I want you guys, as you guys are performing this song, make sure you create a space so that I'll perform. And guess what? We did it, and I enjoyed it. So that's how to know how to. And then that was when I started asking for the permission for the 3 square beats, because usually it's illegal. And I told them, bring the paper, we'll sign it for free. Do you understand what I mean? So it will start from there. I need to know what you've done, the biggest song you think you've done. I need to listen to it. And if it's good, trust me, nobody is going to tell me anything, I'll jump on it. For the remix.
Okay.
All right?
Thank you very much.
Another one?
Yes, somebody was been a fan from the days of these are temptations.
Yeah.
So I was tempted to ask the question.
Yeah.
What happened to the other brother here?
Well, you know what, you don't need to say anything. I respect that. Sometimes you need to understand that we have to grow, we have to be men. All right? So that's the only thing I can say about it. So it's not personal.
All right, I think that's all.
No,
Go on, get back.
No personal question. So that the show.
Okay, can you please not go personal? Let's ask questions.
Before you start asking me about my wife.
Okay, please. Okay.
Thank you. My name is Christopher.
Okay?
I have two questions.
New vision.
Okay, I know. Okay.
One question. When you entered into the Acholi land, what impressed you?
When I entered where?
Eh?
When I entered?
When you entered Gulu today,
Gulu today,
what
okay.
impressed you?
What impressed you most?
Okay, one.
Yes. And secondly, with the coming of the technology, the advancement of the technological setup, from your perspective, what is the future of the African entertainment industry? Is it going up or?
Okay, number one, he said what impressed me. First of all, I'm glad for the first time they opened the bridge and I was the first person. Because I was telling him, I need a flight. He actually got a flight for us. Unfortunately, it's not a private jet. And it's one of those flights that, God forbid, I don't. So my spirit did not accept it and said, let's take the road. He said, but hopefully they might open the bridge that day. So on our way, we drove like almost 3 hours. And when I saw a checkpoint, and when the driver now asked the police, and he said, can we pass the bridge? He said, yeah, it's open. And we got there. So what impressed me was that bridge, because the water, oh my God. I took videos. I actually wanted to come down to take pictures. And I saw police saying, no pictures. I don't know why. People tell me why. That impressed me, number one. Okay. And number two, speaking of technology and what do I see the music industry? I think you should be asking that question maybe 15 years ago, not now. You know we are number one in the world. We are number one in the world. Like, I came yesterday and I was at my balcony. All the songs they were playing were just strictly African music. Yeah, I hear most from our country, Nigeria. But I'm telling you, go to anywhere in China, go to anywhere, India, Afrobeat is number one. Okay? And I'm going to tell you guys, yes, it's normal. There was a time that Jamaican music was big. Okay, there used to be a time Jamaican music was big, but I will tell you why it did not last all that, because there were just few of them. Talking about the Beanie Man, the Shampoo, the Shabarangs, the Elephant Man, just few of them. I trust you, if you want to count Afrobeat, only Nigeria alone, you can count like 100. We are still holding the ground. And I talk about maybe the East Africa, the Diamond Platinum. Talk about, there are so many of them. Ghana, Sakodi, we are so many. So Afrobeat is number one. Okay, and trust me, the only way we can make it last. It's a typical of example of what I just did now, which I said, yes, you guys, I'm here, everybody's here because of me, but I cannot do, it's going to be unfair without people like him. So this is how it starts from. You see what I gave him today? The same you all media. Thank you for supporting me, but it's not enough. It doesn't make sense if you're not supporting him.
Yeah.
Because you know why? He is your own. I have my own people. My own people, the media made me. Okay? So you guys have to make him
Big.
big. I want to see him come to Nigeria in the next 2-3 years.
Yeah.
Headline a concert.
Yeah.
That should be his dream. All right? So the same thing my country did for me. Same thing you guys have to do for him. The same attention you guys are giving me, give it to him.
Yeah.
And I pray you guys do that.
Same respect.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know. Thank you so much. My name is Diben Lakwe TV. We don't prepare pepper soup here,
Yeah.
and I don't know whether you're planning to try some of our dishes around.
You say you don't prepare what? Pepper soup.
Pepper soup, yes.
There's a soup goat meat they gave me there. I told them to put pepper. It's pepper soup already. I've eaten it. I'm saying.
So you don't need a prepared one. You just need
I,
pepper to
I,
make a
I,
soup.
they show me one
Bowl.
bowl
Yes.
with goat meat.
Yeah.
I tested it.
Yeah.
All I just said, go and add more pepper. It's pepper soup. That's what I ate this afternoon.
Oh, yeah.
So don't worry.
Thank you.
We're Africans. So food is food.
Yeah, sure.
Unless you guys have a bowl of fufu. That's the one I eat in my country. Swallow. Yes, I had. Swallow. You've eaten it, you. I saw it in your Instagram. I've been Facebook. So that's.
All right, thank you very much. I think that's all. The artist needs to go and rest. It's been a long journey to come to Bulu. We thank you very much. Please tell the whole world, let them come. This is the first international act that is coming to this beautiful location. It's one of so many that are going to come up. So let's support this. Let's buy the tickets. Our flash sale for the tickets at 50,000 shillings is still ongoing. This has been a special treat. Let's have it, happen tonight, and then we take it on from there. We thank you very much.
Thank you very much, guys.
Thank you, guys.